Welcome back, fellows. Yet another productivity tip for all of you. How to format every fifth line or fifth row of your table in a different color so that you can recognize what are the actions that you are taking and so on and so forth. So you can change the numbers as well, but I will start with the fifth row with a different color. So let's move on. This is our table, for example. I will first of all select the table data where I want to apply this rule. Then I go to conditional formatting down there. In the conditional formatting, you have to click onto new rule. There are multiple options in the new rule part. You simply have to click on the use formula to determine which value or which cell you're going to change. Here, you're going to enter formula or MOD, then parenthesis start, row, parenthesis start and close, comma, fifth row we are talking about. You can change the number 5 to any number that you want, is equal to 0. This is the function. Then we will tell Excel what should Excel change when it comes to this functionality or this formula is true. So we would like to fill in, let's say, a different color here. So I will pick up a little light color here, let's say the blue one. Then I'll go to the format. Let's say I would like to select it as a bold as well, and okay. So this means that every fifth line will be light blue with bold text. I will press OK and let's see if it works for us or not. There we go. So now every fifth row is colored in a different way so that you can easily recognize this. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Do share your comments in the comment section. If you found it interesting, share it with your friends and colleagues as well. I hope to see you soon. Till then, ta-da. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, please do it. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regularly notifications from my new videos.